Hello, my people. Welcome to our channel. How you all doing today? Merry Christmas to everyone. I'm so happy to be here today. Yeah, you know what we do in Kamsi space? We do a lot of things. We do rishi, we do cooking, we do vlog, we do outside. Yeah, today Christmas, the spirit of Christmas. Everybody wants to look good. Me, I want to look good too. My people, I came across a video of a lady embarrassed because of hair. Her face is lovely, very lovely. So you see, my people, onye na-enwere ebe ọ nọ, onwere ebe ọ nọ were machiri akpa. Yeah, they say all fingers are not equal. In as much as mine is not the shortest. One straight is very expensive. It's not everyone that can afford it. Yes, if you cannot afford it, why embarrassing yourself? Grab your seat. Come closer. Piano, eh? No short way, shortcut. Everything is all about packaging. Yeah, package yourself well. It's not about how much you spend to buy that hair. If you can afford anyone, afford. But if you can, there is an alternative way. And I want to show you guys. We are going to wear a bubble dress this December. We must wear a bubble dress. Come, let's do it. So I have my manicure here. I have my wig cap. Okay, let's do it. Don't worry. You will love my bone strength. You will love it. Okay? Yeah. I have my scissors here, my brush, crochet pin, my comb, and this is expression. Expression attached. Let's do our bone stretch. My people, so using this, I'm using color 1. You can use any color of your choice. So guys, I'm doing cotton 3. You can cut any length you want, because you can see I have a low cut, so I don't like long hair. Well done. When you're done cutting it, you start to pick it. Pick it this way. You don't know what, boy, you might cause, huh? You might cause, huh? You might die, you might cause, huh? Ready on. now preparing it. Yeah, this is the recap I'm going to. Now I'm going to pick it. Now I'm done. I have to pick it small. We have NIGERIAN crochet pin. Put it, then we push it like this. See, put this inside. Now, I'm going to put it in the hot water, not very hot, please, with a conditioner. So, watch out, let me get the water. The hot water. And stir it. It's not ready. Yeah, guys, I'm going to put it under the fan to dry, okay?
Hi guys, see the bun straight is ready. You see? Yeah. So I'm going to wear it now. I'm going to wear it now. Hey. Sit. Who is this one? Oh, shit, yeah, who is this one? Oh, guys, see my voice straight. Sit. Wow, I'm rocking my bun straight. I know you love this video. Let's give it a thumbs up, comment, like, and share. You see? Yeah. You see, life is all about packaging. There's always alternative. Guys, this is my bone straight. I'm rocking it. I'm going out today. I am going out with the kids. Maybe I rock my bone straight. So guys, see you in our next video. Bye bye.